Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Webull desktop app. First, navigate to the official Webull website and locate the download link for the desktop application. Once downloaded, open the installer file. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. It's a quick and straightforward procedure, ensuring you're ready to trade in just a few moments. Make sure your system meets the basic requirements for smooth operation. After installation, launch the Webull desktop app. You'll be prompted to log in with your existing Webull account username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be ready to enter the verification code from your mobile device. This extra security step protects your account. Occasionally, you might need to verify your identity for enhanced security measures, ensuring your trading experience remains safe and secure. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Webull desktop interface. You'll see various default panels and widgets. You can easily customize your workspace by dragging, resizing, and arranging these elements to suit your trading style. Add your favorite watch lists, set up preferred trading indicators, and configure charts to display the data most important to you. Personalizing your layout enhances your trading efficiency. With your workspace set up, the next step is to fund your account. Link your bank account or use another supported method to deposit funds into your Webull trading account. Once your funds have settled, you're ready to place your first trade. Explore the market, analyze your chosen assets, and execute your strategy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.